Hello, Paul Gerrard from Price Accounting Services, back again talking this time about tax deduction labelled D2, work-related travel expenses. Now, D2 and D1 are a little bit closely aligned. D1 covers our car expenses, which we've got another video about, but D2 is non-car expenses that relate to travel. So what do we mean by that? Well, in its simplest form, it could mean things that aren't car expenses that relate to travel, such as tolls. It could be out-of-pocket costs related to work-related travel. So if you're traveling to a conference, you're traveling overnight for work, and you're not being reimbursed a cost by your employer. They're the sorts of costs you can claim, except for you can't claim your passport, okay? Passports are always private, a bit like your driver's license, they're always private, okay? So you can't claim passport costs. But you can certainly claim the cost of getting the train to and from the airport, or if you've got to get a car or whatever it might be, and your employer doesn't reimburse you, okay? Another basis for work-related travel is a complex area concerning allowances and rates. And we've got another video that's going to be coming out to address the issue of work-related allowances for travel, because it's quite a complex little section on its own, but a very beneficial area of deduction for some taxpayers, and a big area where mistakes can be made by others. So keep your eye out for our YouTube video on D2 work-related travel expenses for allowances. Okay, that allowances is really important. Other sorts of things you need to know about with D2, you can't claim anything that your employer's reimbursed, okay? So if you go away on a conference and you submit an expense claim, there's nothing to claim if the employer pays you back. And just use a reasonable basis. So we'll address more about these reasonable allowance limits in that other video, as I've mentioned. So if you've got any questions though, do come back to us, talk to your tax advisor, and we're more than happy to guide by phone or email, whatever we can do to assist you, and mark your item on the year-end tax checklist so we know whether you're claiming those deductions. So until then, until we speak again, till you see us on another one of our YouTube videos, sayonara. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.